Hi, this is Julius from the Washington Group, and thank you for checking out this video today. We're touring a home in the Ashcroft. It's in Columbia, South Carolina. The home is built by Mungo, and it's about a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's a great floor plan. It's over 1,600 square feet. So I'm excited to show this to you, and I ask you to stay all the way to the end because this home has a lot of nice touches to it. Until then, see you at the end.
Hi, thank you so much for listening in on and checking out our content. We really appreciate that from the bottom of our heart. If you are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we would love to have a frank and earnest conversation with you about the goodness of working with Julius Washington and the Washington Group. Until the next time, salute. Hi,